As always, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Meresha Owiti. Let's get you informed. Now, the country has today bid farewell to Supreme Court Judge Mohamed Ibrahim, who is laid to rest in Nairobi. Justice Ibrahim, a towering figure in Kenya's judiciary, was buried at the Kariokor Muslim Cemetery in line with Islamic rites. Leaders from the legal fraternity, civil society, and politicians as well gathered to honor a man remembered for integrity, courage, and unwavering commitment to justice. Bramwell Bwire has more.
In a solemn and emotional ceremony, family, friends, and colleagues gathered at Kariokor Muslim Cemetery to lay to rest Supreme Court Judge Mohamed Ibrahim, one of Kenya's most respected jurists. The burial, conducted in accordance with Islamic rites, drew members of the judiciary, senior advocates, political leaders, and members of the public, all united in mourning a man whose legal career spanned decades and shaped Kenya's jurisprudence. Former Chief Justice David Maraga, who worked closely with Justice Ibrahim, both in private practice and later at the Supreme Court, described him as a man guided by integrity and strict personal standards.
When I was CJ, I joined him in the Supreme Court. He was one of those judges who was diligent in his work. Justice Ibrahim was one man who never tolerated anything to do with corruption. He was a straight man, and he did his work very, very diligently.
Former Attorney General Justin Muturi also reflected on Justice Ibrahim's early years as a human rights advocate, noting that his work sometimes placed him at odds with the government during politically difficult times.
Values of human rights, some of which saw him in his early days as a practitioner get into trouble with the government of the day, earning him some detention in the process. But that never deterred him. Even when he joined the judiciary, after myself and left it, Judge Ibrahim continued to serve this country with so much commitment and dedication.
Justice Ibrahim made history in 1982, becoming the first Kenyan Somali to be admitted as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. He later served in various judicial roles before his elevation to the Supreme Court. Bramwell Bwire, KTN.